Are you getting the WhatsApp was not able to retrieve current privacy settings? Please try again later error on your iPhone? This could be due to a weak internet connection, a server issue, or a bug in the app. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix this error on your iPhone. Let's dive in. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that resolves the issue. Try airplane mode on and off. After trying these basic things, if your issue is still alive, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear WhatsApp cache. First, open up the Settings app. After that, tap General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Find the WhatsApp app. Here you will find the WhatsApp app. Tap on it. Now tap on the Offload app. Again, tap the Offload app to confirm it. Next, tap Reinstall it. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Background App Refresh. Again, tap on Background App Refresh. Now select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data from here. Then go back, scroll down, find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Update the WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store, tap on the search icon from the below. Type WhatsApp. If you see update option available there, then update the app. Check your issue to see whether it is solved or not. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset network settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset network settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.